Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 26th September 2025, Puratashi Masam 10th, Friday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayana, Varsharado, Puratashi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 8:15 a.m. Chaturthi, then Panjami, Bhriguvasaram, Friday, Nakshatram up to 9:35 p.m. Vishaha Nakshatram. Then Anusha Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 10:30 a.m. to 12 noon. Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guligalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. Then 5 to 6 p.m. Sunrise at 6:05 a.m. Chandrashtam up to 3 p.m. Meenarashi, then Mesharashi, Prayachitam Jangri, Sradhatadi Panjami. Navaratri day 4.